This is a center console organizer from EDBETOS. It is for the 2014 and up Toyota Tundra. And I'll show you how to assemble that here in a second. First, there are two pieces here with 3 slots, 1, 2, and 3. And then there are 3 pieces with 2 slots. This one is slightly smaller, and I'll show you why in a second. But what you do first is you could grab one of the bottom pieces. It really doesn't matter which one. There's an up here, so you just face that up. Grab another piece of the 3 pieces that are the same, and you'll throw that in the top. Just slips right in, very easy. So those are in. Grab the next piece here. And just push down. Make sure everything is nice, tight. You'll also see that this is at a slight angle because the inside of the Toyota Tundra has that inside of the console area as well. So I'll show you how that slips in just a second. So the device slips right here. As you can see, there's a slight angle right there. Here it is all assembled. Very simple, is just grab it and right in. What's nice about this product is there's no slop. Everything is nice and fits nice and tight, so you can go ahead and organize the bottom here in your 2014 and up Toyota Tundra. So there's the finished product, but they also make other items. It's something I've done before, so here's all my items here. They have a tray that also sits nicely right on top.